Good morning, America. No, I'm just kidding. Good morning, Divergence Traders. How y'all doing today? Hope you're all good. Hope you bought some dips, some lower closes, and sell some higher closes. Yeah. Look at this, eh? Double top up here. I even marked it on my other chart. I put them together and look at where it went all the way down here from up here. Big move. And then we came down here and we were like, we put in this lower lows, but it was like right in here. It's like they're confused. They're going, should we buy? Should we buy? Should we buy? I bought dips like up in here and just took them before it got up to here, and then bought another dip from this dip and like a lower close right here and bought it here and got out here. I just did quick scalps, but I did really good. Really good today. Really good. Um, it's a crazy day. Look at how they just dumped it here in 2 minutes. Boom! But there was a trade for that. Oh no, this is the 5 minute. Jason, I got the wrong chart. I'm sorry. 2 minute. There we go. That's more like it. But yeah, right in here, they didn't know if we should buy it or sell it or leave it alone or whatever. I left it alone. I didn't get into like here and then I got out here or something. But trying to play it safe, I don't want to buy in here and then they ram it back down again. Like they're so fucking famous for doing that, you know. So we got the 1, we got the 2, and we got the 3 amigos up here, okay? And right down like this, somewhere in like that. See, would have got in right on the opening here, see? Right here on the opening of this candle, right here, or a little bit lower. You know how the market starts moving fast. And it went down like really quick, like within 2.5 minutes from here where you would have got in. You would have got in at the R1, I believe. Yeah, R1. And I'll just show you quickly. So you got in at the R1, right? You just got out right here, let's say. There's 125 ticks right there for that trade. That was good. That was really good. Oh, stop that, Ninja Trader. And then they, of course, did they got, there's so many people that would believe right in here, okay, I can sell it now. It's going to go down. And look, and they take it back up again. The bastards. I quit trading by then. I did my last little trade up here, and I think it was, I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, I didn't have a losing trade today. I did about 5 or 7 of them. Scalps, you know how I like to scalp, right? I'm a scalper. Um, Unless I really see it moving fast in one direction, then I'll hold a little bit and sometimes get more than a little scalp, you know. But yeah. So this is what happened here, and that's it. Well, there's more. There's this divergence here. Okay. This is the divergence that got me looking to buy in here, okay? But I didn't want to trade the open. Like I told you before, it's very dangerous. Trading the open is like almost like trading non-farm payroll, okay? Or any other news event, because you don't know where it's going. That's why when they shot up here, this big engulfed all of this mess right here and closed up here. That's what gave me the ability to go, okay, I think I can buy now. But it was this setup right here, this divergence setup, to buy to the upside. And it's always good to be on the right side or you're in trouble. Okay, let's go and look at the S and the P. The mess. I call it the mess. MES. That means micro ES. I call it the mess. Okay, let's look at the mess now. What did it do for us? Oh, see the same trade in here. See that? And if you got in somewhere in here, well, holy jeez, if you put your stop here, they would have come and got your stop and then eventually took it up. Right? But if you waited for 9:30 to pass like me, you would have been a buyer right in here. And it didn't go too far. So you bought right here after this nice bullish candle close. Your maximum potential was 42. Actually, that's not 42. That's 4 points, I think it is. Yeah, it's got to be 4 points. It's the S&P. It's so slow. Okay, so that's it for the NASDAQ. It's the same trade, or the S and the P, the mess. It's the same trade basically as the NASDAQ. And we're coming back up again. Sticking and humming around the main pivot of the day. So let me go to MetaTrader now. And let me slide it over. Okay. Here's MetaTrader. We're looking at the 15-minute. Let's look at the 5-minute. Okay. Look at that. She came all the way down. Low and lower low, but there's no divergence here to buy it. Look at that shit. But if you did look at it in a way that sometimes there's not divergence, you know, you got the 5 cross up above the 7, you got a nice bullish candle, you just buy it and up it goes, right? But yeah, but we had a lower close, buy it, up it goes. So you had one good trade there. Not too good, that's kind of boring, eh? And that's the NASDAQ. And the S and the P in the 5-minute? Nothing. There's nothing here. There's no divergence here. Well, there kind of is, I guess. There's a double bottom, but it's pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. It did go up. But it wasn't very good. It wasn't very good day today. What about the Dow? Did you do something? No, look at the Dow. Look at that fucking shit right there. That's a pile of shit, but it's bottoming action. You see all those wicks? Wick. That's bottoming action, meaning it's probably going to head north soon to Canada, to Toronto. Yeah. Anyway, that's fucking shit there. Let's move on now. Pound dollar. What did it do? Yeah, we're looking at the 15. Got to look at the 5. Oh, it was a bad day too. But we did have a trade up here. We had hidden, hard to see, big Mount Everest top right here. See right here, Mount Everest. It's screaming at you, this big mountain. And then you draw it down into here. And it went down. You would have got in there. Went down 25 pips, ladies and gentlemen. The pound dollar. Let's see, what did the euro tell us? The queen. What did the queen tell us? Oh, that's a 15-minute. Go to the 5. Okay, that looks a little bit more clear. It's incredible how if you had this on this same kind of chart, the look of it on NASDAQ, it would be huge freaking points. But on here, it's nothing. Look. It's nothing. 23 pips. Anyway, where are you? Okay, hold on. Well, look, we have a double top up here. We have another divergence setup here. We have another one here. And we have No, there isn't one there. Okay, so let's draw this one first. I love these ones. They're so easy to spot. Big mountain, or little foothill. And you would have sold it right there. And went down 12 pips on the euro. Then we had lower lows. And we got long in here. And it went up. And then we had the sell. From the big mountaintop. Yeah, it's kind of stretching it because I only usually like either like 2 negatives and a positive. Right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a very long divergence, but it really did work though. Okay, right there, you would have sold it, and down it goes. 21 points. This is the queen we're talking about, the euro dollar. Okay, and then we had higher close, sell it, down it goes. And we had another higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Isn't that beautiful? We had a whole bunch of them here. Look at this. Look at this. Boom, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Boom, lower close, buy it, up it goes. And boom, lower close, buy it, up it goes. And one more for the kipper right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking scalps, man. Just boom, boom, boom. Look at that. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. And some over here. Okay. Let's look at pound yen now. Did it do anything? Did it do, oh, God. That's the 15. See, there's no divergence to sell it here. There's no divergence here, down here, to buy it, for it to go up here. Oh, what a mess that fucking pound yen was today. How many pips are we talking about here? 73 pips from the bottom to the top. And that's on the 5-minute, and we couldn't even find any long, divergence for a longer trade. We had a whole bunch of, right? Well, here's a hook down right here. Hook up, not down, hook up. The sell fake, back up, and buy it here, and up it goes. And that's it for that. Euro yen. Bastards. So we have higher highs right here. We're at the beginning of the New York session right here. Excuse me. And we would have sold it right in here, okay? And down it goes. Went down 38.5 pips or so, and it was good. And then we have lower lows, but there's no divergence to support it. But we did have a lot of lower close, buy it, up it goes. There's another one here. We'll just put one more on. Lower close, buy it here, and up it goes. You would have made some pips if you would have traded that. And then now let's look at oil. Oh, look at oil. Look at oil. One big fucking crash down. Maybe that's what made the NASDAQ crash down so quickly there. Oh, boy. We got higher highs up here. And we have hidden divergence here. And we had, look at this. Doesn't look like it, but it is. Lower lows. And another one of these. See all those lines? You're going, what the fuck is he doing? He's not finishing it. He's a crazy man. But that's all divergence, baby. Right there. From here to here. See, from here to here. And this one here. And, and this one right here, down to here. See all that shit? Crazy, huh? There's the first cell right there. There's the second cell. Oh no, that's in the wrong spot. Sorry. You would have to jump into this one mid-flight somewhere in here or down here, whatever. Okay, there's another trade there. Lots of divergence on this oil. Holy cracker jacks. Okay, right here. Okay, we have one there. We have one here. Okay, this one here, the entry for this one is from this one. And then we came down, it gave us profit, right? Then we had low retracement, lower lows, right here, lower lows. Remember I told you about them fucking lower lows? You remember. And up it went. There was profit there to be taken. Then we had hidden divergence, bearish divergence to the downside again up here. And you would have got in there somewhere in mid-flight and it went down. And you would have made profit on that too. Isn't that crazy? All those setups, they're all there. See how I can mark them and see them and like... I've been staring at these charts too long, ladies and gents. But I'm glad I still do it, and I'm helping all my followers here. I want to thank you so much for coming every day and checking out my trade setups. They're genuine. They work. Most of the time they work. And what's really amazing is when you enter these trades, they don't come back to your stop. See this one right here? You sold it here. From this higher highs up here, higher highs. When you sold it here, did it come back up? The stop is always at the swing high and when you're selling, and always at the swing low when you're buying. Did the price come back up here and hit your stop? No, sir. No, ma'am. When you did this hidden divergence trade, okay, and you got in somewhere in here, did the price come back up to the swing high and get your stop? No. It came all the way down here. Now, down here, when you bought somewhere in here, did the price come back down to the swing low and hit your stop? No. I'm sorry, I just have to, I don't know. It's like I'm rubbing them right into your brain, and I don't mean it in a bad way, the way I talk. It's just so fucking amazing. It is utterly amazing how you can do all these trades and it doesn't go back to your stop and you can make some profit. While other people are doing the opposite and they're fucking losing. 95% of them are losing because of that. I'm showing you and sharing with you. This is the grail, man. I know I'm being a little bit too much. I understand. But I'm still blown away by this. Day after day after day, I come here and I show you exactly where your stop needs to go. Hardly ever gets hit. And, you know, and the setups and how they work. And it's just utterly amazing, I think, anyway. So, that's oil today, ladies and gentlemen. Had a lot of trades. See, now they're whipping back up again. And there's no trade to buy it, see, because this has gone down. Because they took it down too far, too fast. So it created this to go down too far, too fast. And there's no divergence to buy here. Okay, let's now look at gold. What did it do? It's a 15-minute. You can go slumming on the 5-minute. Oh. Look at this. We do have trades on the 5-minute. Three amigos. 1, 2, 3. And the divergence right here. Yes, indeed. And you would have bought exactly right here. And it went up like, what is this? Gold. It went up like 90 points. 90 ticks. I think it's ticks. This is also divergence here too, ladies and gentlemen. It's like, even though it's rolling over, like a rollover top, it's like this. And you take it from, yeah, right from here, down there. See? That's divergence. That is divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Would have got you short right there. And it went down almost 200 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. Gold was good to you today. Was gold good to you today, Fook? I hope you made some points or some ticks. And then, of course, it turned into its sidewinder pile of shit down here. Yeah. So anyway, and then we have Bitcoin. Did it go back up? Oh, it went back up. They bought the dip. It went back up. What about XRP? No, it didn't. They're still dragging it down the shitter, down the sewer pipe. They're dragging it down. And the silver monthly, oh, big sell-off on the silver. Back to $28 an ounce. Came down freaking $38. Wow. Big dive. And Ethereum, yeah, they're trying to buy it up, back up a little bit. But anyway, we put it back on here with all those beautiful setups. So, like I was telling you the other day, and I'm going to tell you again today, okay? You really need to give it a try. Fast track trading. It's you know how when Uber came in, it created a disruption in the taxi, industry. It was like, holy fuck, like, and they weren't even really that much cheaper. I know, because I used to be a fucking Uber driver, okay? And I didn't do it for the money. I did it for something to do, okay? So, just to get that straight. But yeah, so is this fast track trading and causing a disruption. Like, I'm not saying any names, okay? I'm not saying any fucking names, but you might be able to guess if what I'm saying if you go to this channel, or some of these channels that have been here for a while, where they go on the screen and they, they're trading and they show you. There's some will show you your actual entry point and stuff, and some won't. But they're really pissed, okay? These old-time streamers that have been, promoting, the companies where you spend a ton of money, okay? Like, I heard of one guy, not going to say any names, but hundreds and hundreds of evals that he bought to get where he is today. And there's other ones too. They've bought hundreds of them. Hundreds. So now think about it. They can't sell these. They're getting paid on the monthly subscription. They're getting a chunk of that for affiliation, right? For the affiliates. I'm an affiliate too. I'm here telling you about it. But they're really pissed because they're making a percentage on the monthly subscription. They're making money when after you pass your eval and you go and you get your whatever. I think it's called a PA account. I don't know. I never bought any, so I don't fucking know. Oh shit. Okay, so then they're making money on the activation. Okay, and some of them you're not allowed to trade the news, and you got to pay their commissions and all this shit, right? You still got to pay to trade with fast track trading, of course. Okay, but anyway, It's really causing a disruption. It really is. But anyway, like I said the other day, now I got oatmeal stuck in my throat. I just had a bowl of oatmeal. Oh man. But anyway, you know, if you've been a prop firm trader for quite some time, you owe it to yourself to just even buy one, you know, just the smallest one, which is the 25K, and check it out and see if it works for you, you know. So the link to get hooked up and to go read more about fast track trading, the link is below this video, okay? Oh my God, now I got hiccups. In the description. Or you can just take the link right here, right now. You can stop the video, write this down, or key it into your keyboard, your browser, whatever browser you use. Just key in this here, right here, and then go check it out. You're gonna like what you see. It's totally different than the old prop firms. It's like night and day difference. That's why it's causing a lot of, you know. Think about all these. I heard of this one person, over 500 evals that he bought. 500 of them. You know how much money that is? Even if you only paid $20 for each one. You know how much money that is? But hey, that's failing a lot of evals, but anyway. But still, this person I'm talking about, he's in the money. He's in the money now, even though he bought over 500 fucking evals, right? It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyway, check it out. You owe it to yourself, okay? Okay. So, thanks for stopping by and watching. Thanks for listening. If you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. And if you could subscribe, if you haven't subscribed, and go down to the damn oatmeal. Oh my God. Oh my God, it doesn't want to come out. Okay, I gotta go. Good luck and good trading. You don't want to hear me cough here. Shit.